In this video, we're going to look at question number 24 in the Arizona Merit test. And you'll see that it says an expression is shown, 64x squared minus 196. It says Michael rewrites this expression in a different form. Which form could Michael have used where a and b are integers? All right. The first thing I would do if I were looking at this problem is right away I would notice that 64 is a square number. Something times something is 64. I would also notice that x squared, of course, is a square number. Now, I might not know that 196 is a square number, but if I tried it on the calculator, I would say second square root of 196 equals, and if it equals a whole number, which by the way it does, then I'm going to immediately assume that this is a difference of squares. There's the difference, and these are all square numbers. This is going to be 8, this is going to be x, and this is going to be 14. So I know that I can rewrite this like this, because when I have the difference of squares, remember, if I say this, if I say x squared minus 9, to rewrite that, I go x plus 3 times x minus 3. Remember this, the difference of squares? You have to make one positive and one negative for the difference of squares. Okay, well, let's do the same thing with this guy. We're going to go 8x plus 14 oops, times 8x minus 14. And if you multiply that out, it'll come up to that, because the middle terms will cancel each other out. All right, well, there is no question like that. There's no answer like that on this paper. But what there is on the third thing down, it says this, ax plus b times ax minus b. And remember, these are just, the a in front of that x is just the coefficient that goes in front of the x. So that means whatever number, well, even if it's a 1, but maybe it's a number like 64. And the plus b is just the number at the end, the constant at the end. So the correct answer is that.